everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It's Friendship Friday, hosted by Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. I have some happy mail here. It's been a while since we've done this. I've been really busy. This one I received last week, so I'm going to go ahead, or actually a week and a half ago, I finally got to go to my post office. This one I received recently, but let's open this up first. So I'm guessing this is for Valentine's. This is from Papercraft Crystal. She was a swap partner of mine that I had done a swap recently. And look at this beautiful card. I love the trim and the lace. Let's look at the back side. Oh, wow. I love those tags and the pastel colors. Happy spring, by the way. I think spring finally premiered Thursday. But look at what she sent me. Sending you crafty hugs. Stay awesome, my friend. It says just a note to say, I hope you have a wonderful day. That is so sweet. Thank you very much, Crystal. I really appreciate it. Check out her channel. I'm going to link it down below. Now, this next one comes from my really sweet, oh my God, and really super thoughtful pen pal. It is Sandra, who I fondly call my twin pal because we share a lot of interests and similarities when it comes to crafting and books and liking stickers. Speaking of stickers, let me just show you how she decorated this beautiful box. Look at that. I can see Easter theme. We have stickers here. Look at that piggy. We got a mushroom. I love it. So she had messaged me and said she was sending me some birthday mail. So thank you very much. Today is Friday. Actually, was lucky enough to get the day off. I'm going to be meeting my sister in the city after I film this. So let's open it up and see what Sandra sent. Oh, wow. It's super sealed. So let me just undo the tape. All right, here we go. I'm going to open it up. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It says, yay, Clarissa Mia. And then we have a strawberry scratch and sniff sticker, it looks like. Let me see if that is. It smells like strawberry. So let me open this up. Let's have a read and see. So we have been pen pals since 2016. So it's been 9 years. And it has been so awesome to be friends with Sandra. We've, shared a lot of details about our personal life whenever we can, and also exchange our creativity through these swaps. So I really love it. I'm so blessed to have her as a friend. I love the denim, kind of denim print here. Happiest birthday wishes to you. Let me read this real quick. Thanks so much, Sandra. Super sweet. Let me just show you the beautiful, her handwriting is just amazing. And look, she said, happy birthday to my twin pal. I love it. And a beautiful message there. So thank you very much. Love it, love it, love it. And here we go. Oh my goodness. So many cutes. Oh my gosh, she even included a little gift for Emmy from her daughter, Isabel. And her daughter is so adorable. I love just hearing about how she's growing so beautifully. And it looks like she got some goodies. It's a mystery box for Emma to open. So let me see if I can call her down before we head out to school. One moment. Emmy's getting ready at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and put this aside for her to open up in just a few. But let me put the box over here so we can look at each item. Oh my gosh. So through the years, we have always swap different chocolates. So I would buy her certain chocolates, like certain flavored Kit Kats that are seasonal, and we would swap them. So let's see what she sent me. But look at the beautiful packaging here with the bunnies. We have a cute bunny sticker. Let me open it up and see. Oh, it's my favorite. So have you ever been to Canada? They are known for their Aero chocolate. And I love it. She sent me different flavors. The only ones we get here in the United States are the chocolate and the mint. And I am excited to try the chocolate strawberry. Oh my gosh, that looks good. Thank you so much. And that's a big bar. I'm going to split it up with my daughter, Emmy. And check this out. She's also shared a cute little grid sticky note. And I see some sushi. She knows how much I love Japanese cute little stationery like this. So thank you very much. And look, she put another sticker on the back there. Love it. What else do we have here? Should I open this next? Yes, we will. Let's see what this is. Oh, how cute! You have to check out her Instagram because Sandra has the most wonderful sticker layouts. And she has also made beautiful journals for her daughter and herself. But this is perfect. I can put my ATC cards here or stickers if I'm traveling and if I want to do journaling, I can definitely use that. So thank you so much. And I love the color in that very magical celestial theme there. Oops, sorry about that light. We'll put that right there. I see cats. Oh my gosh, Sandra, what did you get me? This is amazing. Look at this. Let me just take out the plastic. Oh my goodness, I love cats. I'm actually allergic to them, so I admire them in pictures and art like this. But if you're not familiar with Hobonichi planners, or if you are, this is from the Hobonichi brand. They're known for their notebooks and their planners. And I feel so blessed to have one of these notebooks. I cannot wait to write in it. It's grid lines, which is always fun. You can create your collage layouts, right? You can draw. So thank you so much, Sandra. That is so sweet. But there is more. Oh my gosh. Look at this. She got me a cute little bunny pin. Let's take it out of the bag. And it looks like a scratch and sniff. Let me see what that smells like. What an adorable enamel pin. Look at that bunny with the flower. And this little candle smells like a like birthday candle. So that is so cute. Very thoughtful. Thank you again, Sandra. That is too much. And look what she packed in here. I love the packaging. If you're curious to see what she sent me through the years, just go to my Happy Mail playlist and type Happy Mail from Sandra, and it will fill up the space and you'll see all the wonderful creations she has sent me when we have our swaps and all the wonderful things that she has also shared with me. So let's see what's in this bag. One of our other favorite items when it comes to stationery is washi tape. And look what she got me. There's birds. I love it. And they have my favorite colors, pink and that blue. And this is a decorative tape. So you can see the pattern here of a cat stretching. That is too cute. I'm going to add that in my little baggie that I put in my bag when I travel, and we're going to use that for journaling. This will be perfect for our trip this April when I see my mom. And then we have more goodies in this beautiful bag. I love it. And look, she put Clarissa me, and look at that. Oh my gosh. She messaged me and asked if I like Ponyo, and I see some Ponyo items, but let me just put these aside first. And let's start with what's on top. Oh, I love it. You guys, who doesn't love Happy Mail, right? It says send more mail, and look at that mushroom. That's an adorable sticker. This says this planner belongs to you. She is planner queen. I love the way she lays out her planner pages. I'm more of a lister when it comes to getting tasks done, so that's how I do my planning. But thank you for that. I'm gonna add that to my little notebook. My gosh, we love Sanrio characters. And this is Pochoko. I love it. I might add this to my water bottle. So that's super cute. And what else do we have here? Oh, the kittens. That is a cute theme. So we're going to put that right there and show this cutie over there. She's also given me some flowers, and I love it. I love flowers, and it's springtime, just perfect for spring journaling. So here it is, guys. She had sent me some Ponyo stickers, and this is from an artist, and this is a name drawn by Nana. I love the Studio Ghibli art. So this is kind of like fan art and their version of this revered character and story. I love it. Oh my gosh, we have more of these cute kittens. And it looks like a postcard. I love that. Sandra, let me know where you got these. These are really cute. And look at that. I actually have a snake plant like this. I think that's what it is. And I will frame that. I think I'm going to put that in our craft room. But let's put these cuties over here and show them off because they are too cute. Kitty cats. And then we have that plant. I have a few more stickers. She got me these cute little kittens. And It's the birthday theme. So perfect again for journaling. I'm going to be journaling today about my outing with my sister. It's a post-birthday lunch with her. So it's going to be really fun and I'm excited. Thank you so much for that, Sandra. And one of the other things I love to visit when I get a chance to visit my mom in Canada is their Dollarama store. It's really fun. And if you've been, you know what I'm talking about when it comes to some of their fun items like stickers and home goods. I love it. Look at what she sent me. All these florals. We have some fruits as well and some of these petals. So this will be fun to use as sticker seals when you send out Happy Mail or use it for planning. Love it. Again, Sandra, thank you so much for this, but I'll be right back because I'm going to get Ems. Let's have a look and see what Isabel sent her. All right, Emmy's here. Say hi to Emmy.
Hello.
So look what Isabel sent you.
Love this one. That's so cute.
Do you want to see what you got and show everybody what's in there?
Oh my god, that's so cute.
I know. And she shared some of this and Ponyo. Isn't
so
that
cute.
Adorable?
Thank you, Sandra.
You can go ahead and put it over here so they can see it because you're off camera. Let's see what Emmy got. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. That's
You
so
need scissors?
cute.
Let's open it up.
It reminds me of my melody, kind of.
Oh yeah. Okay, here.
I like the little bunny drawing right there.
I know. Sandra drew that. Let's hold it up to the camera.
Oh my
You want to come close? It's a bunny.
That's so
just in
cute.
time for upcoming Easter. That's amazing, Ems.
Thank you so
Sandra and
much.
Isabel. Aww.
Yay.
Well, Emmy's gonna go to school now, so we'll see you later. Thanks again for watching, guys. Again, Sandra sending you big, big hugs. Thank you. We'll be chatting with you soon. Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.